Everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And I got another Seoul Beauty Club to share with you. This box, I prepaid for 3 boxes and they are full size. So I'm getting one every other month. That was an option that you could do. You always get your value here, 100%. You're getting K-Beauty, which is nice as well. So it's going to be products that you're very high likelihood, maybe you've just not been exposed to before. And that's part of what they're looking to achieve is bringing you new brands. So I do have a discount code. It's either shown here on the screen or you can find it down below, but I do have a discount code for you if you are interested in this box. Now, I will say, I have seen online one of the social media platforms that there's a lot of people complaining about this box with, items that they're getting. I think someone had said like the items they picked weren't the items they got, taking for a long time to get their boxes. Now I know that the company has now has a warehouse here in the States. So, they've been going through some movings. I personally do not like their website at all, but I haven't, since I signed back up to this box, I haven't had any issues. And when I had the box before, I didn't have any issues either, except I was one of the first subscribers. So I was on an older system. So my membership couldn't be seen on the new site, but super easy to address. I just sent them an email and they responded themselves. So I haven't had any issues before or now, I would say. But I did want to just share that people are complaining. People complain a lot, but Okay, so this box, you get to pick what's in your box. And I am making the assumption that you get a dollar amount because you never know how many items you're actually going to get. They'll give you some choices and they're like, pick 2. Then you pick 2. Well, okay, you go to the next screen. Okay, now pick 1. And then you go to the next screen. And some of the items on prior screens are still there. So I think they're just having you pick items until you get to a certain dollar amount, because you could see 3 face masks, 2 face masks, and then 1 face mask. You got to take a face mask to get your dollar amount. That's what I'm assuming. That's not been said, but it makes sense to me. So this is a completely curated box, curated by you. So it says, welcome to a curated experience from Seoul, where timeless rituals meet cutting edge innovation, the Seoul Beauty Club. All right. So I have picked the items in here, but like everything else, I don't remember what's in here. But you get a ton. And that's why I'm I go every other. So first item, and is it Ulib Seoul? Briller? Gosh, I am not saying this right. So it's glass toning pad. I've got 60 pads in here. Let's see here. So let's see here. We have expiration of September 22nd of 2028. I love that. So how to use as the first step after cleansing, gently wipe the skin to remove impurities or apply multiple pads to desired areas. Leave on for about 10 minutes as a quick mask pack. Okay, external use only. So I am going to open this because I want to see what the container looks like. But since it does have, it is going to have this seal right here because I'm assuming because the expiration, and they're toning plaids. You open that, they're going to dry. So I'm not going to break through that. I like they give you a little tong thing there to help get your pads out. Although I seem to misplace these all the time. I think they are super cute though. Now if I can even get it back in there. There we go. There we go. All right. So there it is, my first item. We'll seal the box back. First item. All right, next item. The Plant Base Sodium Hyalurate 100%, Time Stop Hyaluronic Ampule 100%. It's 30 mils. Vegan Society, plant-based, dermatologically tested, animal testing free, green packaging, and it says, we believe in plant. We pursue a meaningful, clean beauty through a sustainable, eco-friendly life. Expiration, I love this. It is September 15th of 2028. It was manufactured on June 16th of 2025. And there it is. All right. So I'm going to put that back in the box because that is going to be an item. Those that have the expirations, I've kind of like not been opening and sitting aside a little bit and trying to use up the other items first. Next, let's see here. Intensive Ampule, 30 mils, vitamin C. All right, so V-Green Intensive, a vitamin C 20% ampule, ascorbic acid 14%, and ethanol ascorbyl ether 6%. It's really difficult to read because the letters are the same color as the box. It's just in orange, so it's difficult to read. But it says in the morning, so how to use. In the morning and evening after cleaning, apply 1 to 2 drops of ampule on skin and gently massage for better absorption before using other skincare products. Intensive vitamin C 20% ampule, where I read all that, except it says British ascorbic acid. British? Is that different than, I don't know, Australian, Canadian, US? I don't know. But let's see what it looks like. Do we have expirations? No. Oh, wait. Yes. We have, it's either August 5th, 2027 or May 8th. I'm thinking it's May 8th based on kind of the format of the dates and the others. Okay. So there we go. There we go. All right. So that is our vitamin C. I'm going to put this back in here. All right. Still going. This is True Dimension Radiance Balm. It is 10 grams or 0.35 ounce. And it is Lil Mauve. Yeah. Hince, I believe is the company. Hince. It is transparent, and that's the Little Mauve color. Expiration, September 19th of 2027. I love that the lip does as well. Ooh, it's nice. Oh, look at that. That's mauve, right? That is mauve. Did I say lip? I did. I said lip, didn't I? It's balm, so it's not going to be lip. It is for your cheeks, or your forehead, or your nose, wherever you would like to add some. Okay. This is going to be a color that I'm going to have to wait until I have some sun to be able to do that. But I'm loving like all of the cream blushes and things right now. I'm loving that. So, alrighty. 2 more items left. Got a mask. So this is a Deep Collagen Power Boosting Mask by Boom Editor, maybe? Glass skin in just 1 use. So I'm very curious, do they want you to leave this on all night or until it dries? How to use, let's see here. So yeah, so it says remove mask after 30 to 40 minutes for quick care, or leave it on for 3+ hours or overnight for more intensive results. Okay, you got a mask. And we have one last item. This is interesting. Okay, Tansin Mela-Clear Serum 10+, tangerine, vitamin C, niacinamide, visibly fade dark spots, dullness, uneven skin tone. Made in Korea, farm skin. Okay. All right. Expiration, we're looking at November 19th of 2028. So there's the front and the back. Ooh, that's a pretty bottle. And there we go. So see what I'm saying? I mean, the value is crazy, for one. The value is just amazing. But we get the full-size products. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this. Love it. So again, I picked these. There were other things you could have picked from, but this is just what I selected and I chose. And I love it. Yeah. So one thing I do want to point out, okay, it says we're a young company just getting started, and we're generally grateful you're here early. So I think that's important. They are a young company. So, you know, apparently they have been going through a lot of changes, or challenges, I guess you could say. I haven't experienced them yet. So let me know what your guys' thoughts are. Is this a box that would be of interest to you? I love the variety of products, and I guess not really a variety, is it? Now I think about it, it's not really a variety that I picked, but I picked them and I love them. So, all right, guys, well, it'll be a little bit, goodness, over a month before we open another one, since I'm only going every other. But hopefully this gave you a good idea of what this box is about, and go check it out. So as always, thank you for tuning in, and you guys take care. Bye, everyone.